Hi students, how are you doing? So today we are going to move on to two concepts which I think is quite enjoyable. First is on enlarging 2D shapes, and at the same time also learn how to reduce the size. And last but not least, we'll be learning about nets. How do we find the skeleton of a 3D object? Okay, so moving on to this page on 118. So you're asked to draw these three shapes, and you're supposed to double their dimension. So in other words, whatever the length that you have, everything got to be doubled. So I've done one very quickly for you for irregular hexagon. So since there's only one line here, so which is 2 units, so when I double it means I will have 4 units for that. Okay. And then same thing, 2 units here means I will have 4 units here. 2 units here means I have 4. Now here again, 2 units become 4. And if this part is 4 units, it will become 8 units. And same thing over here. So that's how I go about coming up with the new shape when everything is doubled. So give it a try for right angle triangle and also rectangle on your own. Okay, so complete this activity on your own. And then after that, you're supposed to answer this question. Some quite interesting. Some of these questions requires you to think carefully. Is there a yes, no? Question G, you got to give a name for the type of angles. You also got to list the angles that is used in to draw the hexagon. Okay, so quite straightforward. I'm sure it's within your ability to answer this question. Next is to draw a trapezium half the size. So we got to learn about half the size. What is half the size? So if this is 7 cm, this part will be half of it. So how much is half of this? That's right, 3.5. So we know that the distance between two gaps is 1 cm. So every gap is actually half a cm. Just bear that in mind and reduce this shape into half. Okay? So looking forward to your drawing. Okay? So next thing is about the net. How do we find the skeleton of a net? So first and foremost, visually, you must be able to see what are the sides that you have, what are the base that you have, what's the top view. So it's important, okay, there are 6 shapes given here, so you have to join them together, okay. Sometimes you may want to use a deduction method. Okay, this one is the one with a 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's an octagon here. So which of these have an octagon shape? Oh, E. So I can just draw in the line here to here, isn't it? Okay, and then the rest of them you can actually complete them on your own. Okay, just using logical reasoning. So this is an octagonal base pyramid. This is a cylinder. This is a triangular base pyramid. This is a triangular prism, triangular base prism. This is a cone. This is a rectangular prism, right? So now next you got to find out, based on this drawing, this is the front view, this is the top view. So where do you locate the front view? So look carefully, the orientation of this box, okay? So when you fold out, where exactly is this front box? Okay, is it here or is it here? Look carefully, it must be the same side. Okay, if the side is recognized as 100 over here, so where is the front? Okay, and then the top, where is the top located to? Got it? So color them accordingly. Okay, moving on, next part. You are given a cube. Mr. Bing has this cube. So they say if B is the base, so where's the top? So if this is the base, where's the top of this cube? Okay, not so difficult to find it. A is the front face, so where's the back face? So A is the front face, so where is the back? And where do you think is the opposite of E? Okay, quite easy to see, isn't it? So I'm sure most of you will not have much problem answering this question. It's quite an easy task, okay, today. So try your very best. If you're not sure, just drop me a note on Teams or direct message. Okay, bye-bye.